Hello my kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amira and I am back with another video, guys. On today I got a quick video to do this night. I mean, it's very late here, but I got a quick video to do, guys. I ordered this hair straightener, Kemei. As you can see from the name Kemei. I don't know if anybody has used this product before, but if you have used it, please just leave a comment down below, so it really works and how it really, like, did you like it? If you've ever used it, it's called Kemei, as you can see from here. So this is how the box came. This is how it came. Here we got our instruction paper right here, hair straightener and curler. So that is it. We'll just keep this aside. And so that is this how the package came. Sorry guys, I opened this before, then I thought it wise I should share with you guys. You know, I should at least share it with you guys, for you guys to see what your girl got. I mean, this is a very quick video, quick and very short video. So this is what I got. I got a gift, I think. Yeah, I got a comb. I got a tail comb, you know. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you guys so very much for the gift. And guys, this is how the straightener is looking like. I've not tried it. I think I'll be trying it. I think by weekend I'll be trying this out. And guys, there's a warning that they said this product should not be used on the bathroom. So it's written here right at the middle that the product should not be used on the bathroom. So it's restricted from the bathroom. So I think I cannot use this in the bathroom. So it's okay. This is how the iron is looking like. It's so very nice. I love the quality. It's so nice, and the price and everything, the link will be down below. The link and everything, it will be down in the description below. So there is it, guys. So that's all about the video, guys. I just thought it wise to share it with you guys to see what your girl got. I mean, I got a new hair straightener, you know. So please, if you've ever tried this hair straightener before, please leave a comment down below and tell me how it really works for you. I think this, let me try to put it on so you guys can see it. So guys, this is it. I've just turned it on. As you guys can see, it has this red line here in the middle. Wow, it's so hot. It's beginning to get hot. So from here you can increase it. Like it got up to, okay, up to 200. So you can increase the heat right up to 200. I don't know if you guys can figure it out from here. So that's it, guys. That's it about this product. I really hope this product worked well. It's so very hot, guys. Oh my goodness, it seems to be a nice color. So that's it, guys. That's the review for today. So watch out for a video coming up with hair straightener. So guys, that is it. As you can see, it's so nice. The quality, I mean, everything about it, it's so nice. So I just hope the way it looks, it's the way it's gonna fix my hair out, you know. So that's it about the video for today, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you all so very much. Peace out.